Hello, welcome to another episode with the Creative Geeks, and for today we are going to be talking about relays. We are going to explain everything from how a relay works, and we'll also use this model, very interesting one, to show you how exactly this works, and then we'll conclude the video with a fully functional project to demonstrate how this is implemented in practice. So let's get started, and William is going to show you now how this works on the blackboard.
So let us basically learn about how a relay works. This is our relay on the blackboard. You see this relay? It has a coil, it has normally open, normally closed, and also has the common. So this is how basically this relay works. When you power here 5 volts, this 5 volts is going to move toward this coil. Already this coil has a minus 5 volts, so it has a ground. So this coil is going to be energized. If this coil is energized, it's going to attract this iron bar towards the coil, hence moving this normally closed to the normally open where our lamp is. And if it moves to the normally open where our lamp is, therefore this lamp is going to be powered by this 240 volts AC. This relay is usually used as control high power. Like for example here we have an MC voltage which is 5 volts, and we want to control it. We want to use it to control 240 volts, which our lamp as the load is going to consume. Let us go down the board and we see how we are going to design this circuit. Yes, as I've discussed onto our blackboard, let us now go onto the circuit and we see how does a relay operates, and we see how we can mimic its operation onto the board. As you see now here I have my board. As you see, the board has a lamp, it has also a connector, it has the wires, and also we have this one that is going to tap into our AC 240 volts. We are going to control this lamp with this relay. Now this is our relay. It has the normally open, the normally closed, it has the coil, it also has the common. This one is the string. When you provide the power onto this coil, then it's going to magnetize. It's going to magnetize the coil, so it is going to attract this, switching on our lamp. Let us go now and try to put on power, as you see for now. Oh, remember, this is AC 240 volts. Remember, you must use good tools when you are working. Okay. So now this is the operation. When the coil is energized, it's going to attract this line to here. Then our lamp will begin lighting, as you see. If it is de-energized, the spring will pull back our line to the normally closed, hence the coil will not light. This is basically how a relay works. Chapa, chapa, chapa. I see? Yes, that's quite cool.
Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. Tell us in the comments what videos you would like us to make, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.